Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's flight bulletin. The accumulated rainfall over the past 7 days, as recorded by the IMD network, is displayed on the screen. The latest rainfall data received through the CWC and IMD observation networks indicates significant rainfall activity over the following regions: Odisha, Jharkhand, North Chhattisgarh, East Madhya Pradesh, East Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Tamil Nadu, Konkan, and Goa. The highest rainfall of 190 mm has been recorded at Garu in Latehar district of Jharkhand. As per the current flood status, river North Koyal at Rajhara station in Palamau district of Jharkhand is flowing in extreme flood situation, while rivers Gandak, Kosi and Bagmati in Bihar, river Son, North Koyal and Damodar in Jharkhand, river Banas, Gopat and Rihan in Madhya Pradesh and rivers Budabalang, Subarnarekha and Baitarni in Odisha are flowing in severe flood situation. Now, let's discuss today's CWC advisory based on the IMD's forecast and the data received from the CWC's Hydrological Observation Network. Let's start from state Odisha. Based on the forecast of continued heavy rainfall over parts of Odisha during the next 2 days, water levels are expected to rise with the above normal to severe flood conditions likely in the rivers Brahmani, Salandi, Deo, Ib, South Koyal, Ong, Jalka and Mahanadi along with their small tributaries particularly in Sundargarh, Sambalpur, Jharsuguda and Bargarh districts during 14 to 16th August. Significant flows are also expected to continue in Budabalang, Jalka and Bethany rivers and their tributaries in Mayurbhanj, Kyonjar, Bhadrak and Balasore districts for the above said period. Local residents are advised to stay alert. Now, in state Chhattisgarh, in view of the forecast of very heavy rainfall over parts of Chhattisgarh, water levels are expected to rise with above normal flood conditions likely in the rivers Hasdeo, Man, Rehan, Kelo, Ib, Jong, Meyanari, Sionath, Peri, Son and Mahanadi along with the smaller tributaries. The affected areas may include Korba, Raigad, Surajpur, Korea, Jangir, Champa, Jashpur, Surguja, Baloda, Bazar, Gurela, Pendra, Marbhani, Mungeli, Raipur, Mahasuman, Garyaban, Bilaspur, Durg, Rajnandgaon, Balod, Kanker, Kabirdham, Bamitara and Balrampur districts from 14th to 16th August. In state Jharkhand, based on the forecast of heavy to very heavy rainfall, water levels are expected to rise with above normal flood conditions likely in the rivers North Koyal, South Koyal, Shank, Auranga, Kanhar and Son along with their small tributaries. The situation may affect Lohardaga, Latehar, Palamu, Gumla, Simdega and Garhwa districts during 14 to 16th August. People residents in vulnerable areas are advised to remain vigilant. In state Himachal Pradesh, in view of the forecast of heavy rainfall, water levels are expected to rise in the river Beas, Giri and Satluj along with other small tributaries particularly in Kangra, Una and Bilaspur districts during 14 to 15th August. Residents living nearby riverbank areas are advised to remain alert. Now, in state Uttarakhand, based on the forecast of heavy rainfall over parts of Uttarakhand, water levels are expected to rise in the rivers Upper Yamuna, Gori Ganga, Dhauli Ganga, Alaknanda, Ram Ganga, Sharda, Pindar, Kosi and Ganga along with other small tributaries. The affected areas may include Dehradun, Pithoragarh, Bageshwar, Pauri Garhwal, Haridwar and Nainital districts from 14 to 16th August. Now let's talk about West Bengal. Significant flows are expected to continue in the Subarnarekha and Damodar rivers in Paschim Medinipur, Purv Bardhaman and Hooghly districts during 14 to 15th August. In state Bihar, based on the forecast of heavy rainfall over southern parts of Bihar, water levels are expected to rise in the Son river, particularly affecting areas downstream towards Sonbhadra and Mirzapur districts during 14 to 15th August. People are advised to stay alert. Now let's talk about Uttar Pradesh. Based on the forecast of heavy rainfall over some parts of Uttar Pradesh, water levels are expected to rise in the rivers Yamuna, Betwa, Ken and Palsuni along with their smaller tributaries particularly in Mahoba, Banda and Chitrakoot districts during 14 to 15th August. In state Madhya Pradesh, in view of the forecast of heavy rainfall over parts of Madhya Pradesh, water levels are expected to rise in the rivers Tawa, Narmada, Ken, Betwa and Son along with their smaller tributaries. The situation may affect Rewa, Singrauli, Chhindwara, Hoshangabad, Chhatarpur, Damoh, Umaria and Lalitpur districts from 14 to 16th August. With this, today's flood bulletin comes to an end. For the latest updates on river water levels and flood forecasts, viewers are requested to visit the websites displayed on the screen. Stay informed, stay safe, and we will meet you again in the next bulletin. Thank you.